Standard form. Standard form is used when writing very big or very small numbers. With standard form, the numbers can become easier to understand, as well as easier to work with. For example, a number such as 16 million in standard form is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 7. Standard form is always written in the format a multiplied by 10 to the power of n. A is always a number between 1 and 10. N is always a whole number. N can be a positive or negative number. 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3 in standard form. 10 to the power of 3 is the same as 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which is 1000. So if we wanted to express 2000 in standard form, this would be 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, because 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, and 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. Another way of looking at it is that the decimal point has moved 3 places when going from 2000 to 2. The decimal point starts here. To get to 2.0, it must move 3 spaces to the left. The decimal point is now here when in standard form. It has moved 3 spaces across, so n is 3. Let's look at another example. To express 60,000 in standard form, the decimal point would start here. To put it in standard form, it must be a number between 1 and 10. So we want to have the number 6. The decimal place needs to move across 4 spaces. We now have a value between 1 and 10. And because we move the decimal place 4 times, our n value is 4. Can you write 43,000 in standard form? Pause the video whilst you work out the answer. The answer is 4.3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. The decimal point has moved across 4 times from 43,000 to 4.3. Can you write 5,800,000 in standard form? Pause the video whilst you work out the answer. The answer is 5.8 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. The decimal point has moved across 6 times from 5,800,000 to 5.8. The n value can also be a negative number. This occurs when using very small numbers. 0.0000037 in standard form is 3.7 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 5. To convert 0.0000085 into standard form, the a value must be between 1 and 10, so the decimal point must move 4 places to the right. No, the a value is 8.5, and because the decimal point moved 4 places to the right, the n value is minus 4. Can you write 0.0000009 in standard form? Pause the video whilst you work out the answer. The answer is 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6. The decimal point has moved 6 places to the right from 0.0000009 to 9. Standard form is used when measuring cells, as the numbers are often very small. 1 millimeter in standard form, as a division of a meter, is 1 multiplied by 10 to power of minus 3 meters. 1 micrometer in standard form, as a division of a meter, is 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. 1 nanometer in standard form, as a division of a meter, is 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 9 meters.